In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Bing search suggestions. If you've ever started typing in the Bing search box and seen a list of suggested queries pop up, that's the feature we're turning off. Some people find suggestions helpful, but if you prefer a cleaner search box, want fewer distractions, or just value a bit more privacy while you type, this quick setting will make Bing feel much more streamlined. Open your preferred web browser and go to https www.bing.com. You don't need to be signed in for this to work, and the process is the same on most desktop browsers. Once the Bing homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. If your window is very narrow, you may need to maximize the browser or look for the gear in a condensed menu, but it's usually right up there in the corner. From the menu that appears, choose Search Settings, or the option with a similar name that takes you to Bing's search preferences. This opens a page where you can manage how Bing behaves while you search. Take a moment to scan the options, because there are several useful controls here, but the one we want is specifically called See Search Suggestions as you type. This setting governs those live, drop-down suggestions that appear while you're entering a query. To turn them off, simply uncheck the box next to See Search Suggestions as you type. As soon as it's unchecked, Bing will stop offering those suggestions in the search box, giving you a cleaner typing experience. Now, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. This is important. Your change won't apply until you save. After saving, your preference is stored for this browser. If you switch to a different browser or use a private window, you may need to repeat the setting there, since those environments don't always share the same preferences. From this point forward, when you click into the Bing search bar and start typing, you shouldn't see suggestions drop down beneath your text. You'll still get full search results after you press Enter. This only disables the live suggestions while you type. If you ever miss them, you can come back to the same search settings page and recheck the box to turn them back on. That's all there is to it. Go to Bing.com, click the settings gear, open search settings, uncheck See Search Suggestions as you type, and save your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, calmer search experience.